Now, in case you wonder why a contact you saved on WhatsApp only shows up in your WhatsApp contacts but not in your phone's contact list, I'm going to show you how to sync your WhatsApp contacts to your phone so that anytime you save a number in WhatsApp, it also shows up in your phone's contact list automatically. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more updates. First, open WhatsApp. You tap the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then head over to Privacy. From there, select Contacts. By default, you'll notice that WhatsApp Contacts is turned on. Now here's the trick. You need to turn this off. When you do that, a pop-up will appear asking if you'd like to delete all your WhatsApp contacts. And at the bottom of that prompt, you'll notice a checkbox that says Save all contacts to phone. So make sure that's checked before you do anything else. Then tap Delete. Now don't worry, this won't actually delete your contacts. The magic happens right after. Go back to your phone's contacts list and you should find all your WhatsApp contacts saved there. After that, return to the WhatsApp contact settings and turn the option back on, so any new contacts you save in the future will sync automatically. Also, whenever you're saving a new contact directly on WhatsApp, always make sure the sync contact to phone option is enabled.